Welcome to The Import. Today we will be answering the question, why travel can keep you broke? Do you believe that traveling is the only thing you buy that makes you richer? While it's true that traveling can be an enriching experience, it can also be a significant financial burden. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why traveling can keep you broke and how it can hinder your path to financial prosperity. Firstly, let's talk about the cost. From airfare to accommodations, food, and activities, the expenses of traveling can add up quickly. Even if you try to save money wherever possible, the costs can still be significant. And if you're always traveling, you may find it challenging to save money or build wealth. Furthermore, traveling can interrupt your career or business. Constantly being on the move can make it difficult to establish a stable career or build a successful business. It can be challenging to maintain relationships with clients, colleagues, or employers. It can also be difficult to build a strong professional network or gain valuable experience in your field. Another reason why traveling can keep you broke is that it can make it harder to save money. Spending money on experiences and activities while traveling can be difficult to resist. Plus, if you're always on the move, it can be challenging to establish a stable financial routine or save money for the future. Additionally, traveling can lead to lifestyle inflation. It's easy to get caught up in the moment while traveling and spend more money than you normally would. You may splurge on fancy meals or luxurious accommodations, leading to lifestyle inflation. And if you become accustomed to a certain level of luxury while traveling, it can be challenging to adjust to a more modest lifestyle once you return home. Lastly, traveling can distract you from your financial goals. If you're too focused on planning your next adventure or experiencing new cultures, you may lose sight of your financial goals. And if you're not careful, you may find yourself spending more money than you should or neglecting your savings and investment accounts. So, while traveling can be a rewarding experience, it's essential to consider the financial implications. If you're hoping to achieve financial prosperity, it's important to think carefully about how travel fits into your overall financial plan. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more.